So hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about how to make money using Jira software. So Jira Software is a powerful project management tool that can help businesses streamline their workflow and improve team collaboration. While Jira Software is primarily used for software development projects, it can also be used for a wide variety of other ways. Here in this video, I'll be showing you 10 ways to get money using Jira software. So let's first create our website. Madagaartlegion.net already taken, I think by me, but I don't remember the password of that account. So next, the first way is improve team collaboration. By using Jira software, team can collaborate more effectively on projects, which can lead to improved productivity and efficiency. This can save businesses money by reducing the time it takes to complete projects. The second way is increase project visibility. Jira software provides real-time visibility into projects progress, which can help businesses identify potential issues early on and take corrective actions before they become major problems. So while my website is being created, I will give you the tips, so just listen to me. The third way is streamline workflow. Jira software allows businesses to automate their workflow, which can save time and reduce the risk of errors. This can lead to the cost saving over time. So help us build your app to Jira. I am new to Jira, I have experience. I am setting up Jira for my software team or business team software. My team is new agile methodology experience. Yes, we spend time on working on fixing bugs. We have a tight schedule. So just fill up those informations to Jira start your projects. Mine should be called Akatsuki. Then click on create projects. So I remember I had an account on Jira software. I didn't know where it goes. So here select some tools that can help you. Let's select all the tools because I have nothing to do now. So the fourth way is improve project management. Jira software provides a range of tools for project management, including task management, issue tracking, and project planning. By using these tools, businesses can improve their project management process and reduce the risk of delay and cost overdue. The fifth way is enhance reports and analytics. Jira software provides a range of reporting and analytics tools which can help businesses identify areas for improvement and customize their workflow. This can lead to cost saving over time by reducing the time and resources required to project management. So you can select the type of the report you want, the DVOps, the issue plan, and others. They have a wide range of report management. The sixth way is reduce project risk. Jira softwares allow businesses to identify potential risks earlier on and take corrective actions before they become major problems. This can reduce the risk of delays and cost overruns, which can save businesses money. So here we have a quick start how to use Jira software. So you create an issue, invite teammates, connect your tools, get the mobile app, and if you need any help, just click there. So what needs to be done? You can add tasks, to-do list, and others. So we have only my issues or everyone's issues. You can assign jobs to people. The seventh way is to increase customer satisfactions. By using Jira Software, business can improve their abilities to deliver high quality products and services, which can lead to increased customer satisfactions and loyalty. This can ultimately lead to increased revenue and profits. The eighth way is improve resource allocation. Jira Software provides tools for resource management, which can help businesses optimize their use of resource and reduce waste. This can lead to cost saving over time. So here we have the board settings, create a board, hide menus, show details. So you can customize your Jira Software interface depending on your likes. Here we have your work, projects, filters, dashboards, teams, and apps that you can add to your Jira account or project. The ninth way is to enhance team productivity. Jira Software provides a range of tools to help teams collaborate more effectively and work more efficiently. This can lead to improved productivity and cost saving for businesses. The last way is to reduce administrative overhead. By using Jira Software, businesses can automate improve their project management process, streamline their workflow, and increase their productivity. By doing so, businesses can save money, increase customer satisfaction, and ultimately increase their revenue and profits, which means great income and great money. I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you need the Jira software settings, I will be uploading a video about all the settings, all the reports and analytics you need to make sure of it. And that's it for this video. If you need any help, don't hesitate commenting by your questions or what you need help with, and make sure to like and subscribe.